What if I told you that a modular or manufactured home could be your ticket to affordable, comfortable, and stylish living space, all with the help of a VA home loan? In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can purchase these versatile homes, whether it's a single wide, double wide, mobile home, trailer, or prefab home, all while using the VA home loan. We'll break down the key differences between modular and manufactured homes, the specs required for each when using the VA home loan, and why they're a fantastic option for veterans. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know all the knowledge you need to make a dream a reality without breaking the bank. So let's just dive in. Some of the big things off the bat is going to be, what are the main differences between a modular home and a manufactured home? So big difference in a modular home is that it's pretty much 80 to 90% completed at a factory. Then those panels, those modules are delivered to the site, and then it's attached to a permanent foundation, and then they finish up all the build of the property. Now, on the flip side, a manufactured home is completely pre-built at a factory, and then it is delivered to its location, and then it's fixed to a foundation. That's when you're on the highway and you see those homes flying past you. That is going to be a manufactured home. So let's first break down modular homes and some of the requirements that they have. This one is actually pretty straightforward, and the reason why is they're typically treated as what's called a site home, which is just a conventional home. And the thing is that a lot of times modular homes still have to be meet the regular zoning and code of a area. So it's also in that sense a little bit it's very positive for that metric. Now, when it comes to the requirements for the modular home, once it's delivered to a property, they need to remove all the running gear. Crawl space is covered by a vapor barrier. You should have that no matter what. Skirt has an access hatch, and also the permanent foundation needs to meet both state and local requirements. Now let's flip to talk about manufactured home. Now, these homes are typically or generally less expensive than a modular home. Some people will use the term mobile home or trailer. Now, that is outdated terminology, but again, people still use it, and I do hear it quite often. Now, if you're purchasing one of these properties, though, the property has to be built after 1976, because before that they really didn't have any standards, and a lot of properties kind of like fell apart, and they were hard to insure when you don't have a standard on these. This is why you're able to use a VA home loan on these properties. And just use that amazing benefit. Now, when we're going to be talking about these properties, same thing, they have to be attached to a permanent foundation in order for you to be able to get a loan on this building. And the other thing is that it has to be constructed to withstand both supporting loads and wind overturning loads. And again, they have to meet state and local requirements, which is basically, and on top of that, the building has to meet HUD manufacturing, home construction, and safety standards. Now let's talk about square footage requirements for these properties. Now, if you're getting a single wide, you can't have less than 400 square feet. And if it's a double wide, it can't be less than 700 square feet. And again, all of that stuff needs to meet both state and local requirements. Now let's talk pros and cons. The first thing we're going to be talking about is resale value. Manufactured homes typically depreciate over time like a car. Now, on the flip side, modular homes generally change in value with the market of site-built homes, that's regular properties. Now, when it comes to building code, manufactured homes are built based on HUD standards and then state and local. And then modular homes are built to regular construction properties. Site and durability. Manufactured homes vary in size and have a lot of customizability with them. And on a modular home, they're typically going to be smaller and don't hold up as well to high winds or hurricanes. So if you guys are interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us. More than happy to help. Check out our channel to learn more about exploring and using your VA home loan. And I'll catch you guys soon.